Hello, my name is Leslie Youngs. I'm a pharmacist on the medical information team here at Epocrates. I work with our technical and design teams to ensure that the content and features in Epocrates are accurate, relevant, and practical for clinicians like you. The Epocrates Interaction Check tool allows you to check for potentially harmful interactions between up to 30 brand, generic, and over-the-counter drugs at a time. With a paid subscription to Epocrates Plus, you can also check for interactions with herbs and supplement products that your patient may be taking, such as melatonin or fish oil. Let's imagine that you have a patient with high blood pressure and chronic pain who is newly diagnosed with depression. Before you prescribe an antidepressant, you can use Epocrates to check for potential interactions with your patient's current medications. Here's how. From the Epocrates home screen, the quickest way to access the Interaction Check tool is by selecting this feature listed directly below the Epocrates search bar. Note that you can also access this tool through the References tab at the bottom of the screen or from the toolbar found at the top of any drug topic. Tap Interaction Check to open the tool. After clicking Interaction Check, you can start entering your patient's medication list. Your patient is currently taking low-pressor HCT, tramadol, and zestrol, so let's add those drugs. Click on the red plus to add a new drug to the list. Then use the search bar to look for the drug name. As you start typing a drug name, you'll see suggestions that can be selected. Tap on low-pressor HCT from the suggestions. Low-pressor HCT has now been added to your selected drugs list. To continue building your list, simply start typing the next drug name into the search bar, then select it from the suggestions. Add all of your patient's current medications to the list, plus the new antidepressant Zoloft that you want to prescribe. Now that you have all of your drugs on the list, tap Confirm Drug List. Based on the drug list you created, you can now view potential interactions. The results screen indicates that potential interactions exist between one or more drug pairs in your list. At the bottom of the results screen, there may also be additional considerations that you should know about. Here we see the additional considerations for sertraline in Zoloft and tramadol. Let's scroll back to the top of the results screen. To view the interaction details for a specific drug pair, such as tramadol and Zoloft, tap Show Details. As you can see in this example, the action statement gives you guidance on what to do to manage the potential drug interaction. The Filter by Drug feature allows you to view the results from a different perspective by focusing on a specific drug. For example, if you want to see only the drug interactions and additional considerations for the new drug that you're planning to prescribe, you can tap on Filter by Drug, then select Zoloft. This shows you only the results that are relevant to Zoloft. For multi-ingredient products, one or more of that product's ingredients may interact with other drugs on your list. For example, here we see that both ingredients in low-pressor HCT interact with Zoloft. Tap Show Details to see more. Notice how there is information for each interacting ingredient pair, hydrochlorothiazide and sertraline, and then metoprolol and sertraline. Epocrates helps you understand drug interactions at the ingredient level. At any point, you can easily clear the filter by tapping Clear Filter in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you back to the full list of results. From the results screen, tapping on any drug name takes you to that Epocrates drug topic. For example, tap on Zestrol to quickly navigate to that drug topic in Epocrates. To go back to the interaction check results that you were just looking at, simply tap the back arrow. At any point, if you need to make changes to the list of drugs in the interaction check tool, you can do this on the drug list screen. Tap the back arrow to return to your drug list. This is where you can remove or add another drug or over-the-counter medication. Epocrates drug interaction content is created by our in-house team of expert clinicians. We provide you with practical, actionable advice about drug interactions so that you can confidently make decisions and keep your patients safe.